The Colorado Lift Station is the newest addition to our wastewater infrastructure. Take a look at how it will help a sewer system that is at capacity.
Behind me you can see the brand new foundation for the Colorado Lift Station coming up out of the ground. This lift station will be pumping sewer from the west side of town, or a portion of the west side of town, across the river on Colorado Avenue on the Arizona couplet to the 2nd Street gravity line, where there it flows by gravity out to the treatment plant. The lift station that used to be here has been replaced and moved just a little bit to my left, where we have a temporary facility while this one's under construction. That prior pump station actually lifted the sewer water about 300 yards to a manhole up off of Harmon, and from Harmon it flowed to the Portland pump station, where it was again pumped and then ran by gravity from there out to the treatment plant. That double pumping of that sewer water actually created additional corrosive problems in the waste stream, which had impacts on both the pipelines, the pump stations, and manholes.
Behind me is Shevlin Hixon Drive. What you see, the work going on behind me is the contractor installing the last portion of the force main that will be exiting the new Colorado Lift Station, pump station, and delivering that flow to the gravity system east of Arizona Avenue. This work is being done adjacent to McKay Park and adjacent to the brand new WasteWater Park installed by the Bend Parks and Recreation District. From an engineering perspective, this project has a lot of moving parts and pieces. Not only obviously the Colorado Lift Station itself, which replaced an existing lift station, the Shevlin Lift Station, that was outdated and undersized. It included a force main, which is the discharge pipe from the new pump station nearly a mile east to the discharge to the gravity system east of the Highway 97 bypass.
The reason we're building this new pump station is actually twofold. The prior pump station had actually, for the most part, corroded away to the point that it had to be replaced. And because of the growth we have seen on the west side, that additional growth required a larger pump station than what the prior one was. So rebuilding the prior pump station was not an option. We actually needed something larger to handle the additional flows from facilities like the new OSU Cascades campus, in particular Northwest Crossing, Tethro. There's a lot of new developments that are actually going on along Century Drive from Colorado heading west. And so with those new growth developments, that's all adding increased pressure to the sewer capacity on the west side. In addition to those, you also have Deschutes Brewery, which is also expanding, which also adds growth pressure.
One of the main advantages of the project is it creates a second crossing to be able to pump sanitary sewage across the Deschutes River to our treatment plant located in Northeast Bend.
The work that's remaining is the pump station you see behind me, completing the walls and the roof of that facility, as well as the mechanical that goes inside. The other work that's remaining in front of us is the gravitational sewer line that will be going from this facility up Shevlin Hixon Drive. That work will be quite disruptive, and that work will continue on this fall into October. In about late October, we hope to have the entire project wrapping up and completed, so by November everything's back to normal.